It's no secret, when it comes to selling your home, you have lots of options. That's why reputation, experience, and authenticity is key. I've been selling real estate in the Brantford area for 20 years, and I think my success comes from taking the time to understand what my sellers' goals are, taking time to understand who they are and where they want to go, and then coming up with a solid plan to get them there. When you're making such huge decisions like selling your home, experience really does matter.